Right guys, just got a nice little hour out with the York. Caught a few things, chased a few things. So I hope you like the video. So some foraging to come next week, I hope. Some oysters and some fishing, sea fishing. Look what they all have me. So it's gonna be like a little long video again. Just going through the woods with the York. I had no dog today, so it's a bit more harder. So make sure you like and subscribe. Look what I had me last time. Had me today. Little bitch. I'm gonna call her Sheila. What do you reckon on a new name for her? Right. Peace out. Right guys.